Good afternoon, Brian Casey here. We are at Cal West Motors, Northern California in the Bay Area on this interesting and rare rainy day. I'm here to show you our 2000 Buick Regal. This is a supercharged Grand Sport Edition. Hard to find. This one is all original navy blue paint. You're looking at 17-inch chrome factory alloy wheels. All of our vehicles are CARFAX guaranteed. Take a look inside. We have original floor mats, all-weather floor mats. Steering wheel mounted controls, monsoon. This vehicle gets 27 miles per gallon on the highway, 18 miles per gallon in the city. Leather interior, power on both sides. Cup holders in the back for your rear passengers. Take a look inside the trunk. Plenty of cargo space. Supercharged badging on the rear with the Grand Sport logo. Over here, pop the hood. Low miles. This is 118,000 miles on a 2000 model. We have over 30 years of experience and sell top quality and CARFAX guaranteed vehicles. We have financing for everyone and we'll accept your trade-ins. Come see us today at Cal West Motors. We are conveniently located at 1977 East 14th Street in downtown San Leandro, and we're open every day. Visit us on the web at calwestmotors.com or call us now at 510-614-9400. Cal West Motors since 1981.